Oh, so it's not even in Kuala Lumpur, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Because I stay there also, so I know.
Ah, yeah? Wait, you live there, you mean, or?
Yeah, I live in Rawang.
Oh, nice.
I said, seems like I go back home.
Yeah, nice one. The luge, you've been there as well, or no?
No, I don't even know got the place name like this. This place is for what? Like theme park? I know.
Yeah.
This is the Gamuda theme park I know lah.
Ah, so you know this, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Skyline Luge, I don't know.
Yeah.
Everybody call the place the Gamuda theme park only. Like the place for kids is suitable for kids more lah.
Bro, I don't know, because like I no, the ride, come on, no bro, come on, the ride I think is like for everyone. What you mean for kids?
Because later you reach, you know, the things they are built like the machine for, I don't know how to explain lah. Like later, you know, you watch the theme park, you know, this for kid or for what?
They're building something new, no?
They're still updating.
They're still updating, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, basically now we just kind of like drove around the park, so the entry is somewhere there, right? Like the
This is not a full park, not yet.
Ah, this is not the same, yeah? Ah, okay, so it's
this theme park already renovate 2 years already.
Ah, this one already
still not finished yet.
2 years not finished.
No, we are going to this.
Ah, we're going to this one.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
They need a big U-turn.
Ah, big U-turn. Oh, okay. Yeah. Skyline Luge.
First time I know what this here called Skyline Luge. Before that, just show Gamuda theme park only.
Yeah, Gamuda theme park, yeah.
Because here is Gamuda Garden, right? The name of the place, Gamuda Garden. So they say Gamuda theme park. This one. You see, still updating the thing, still renovating.
2 years, yeah. 2 years.
Before that, I bring my girlfriends come here.
After all,
A big things only, don't have many things.
Yeah, okay, we're here.
Enjoy, bro.
Thank you so much, man. Yeah, take care. Renovating for 2 years, but I think this thing is working, yeah, because it's spinning, but they're making something else there. But the Skyline Luge, this seems to be the entry here. Yeah, that's gonna be a little bit scary. I hate these things. Sorry. Tickets there, right? Oh, okay, thank you. Hello, man.
Hello.
Yeah, I don't know, what do you think? I think 3 or 5 rides, bro.
Okay, over here we have 4 tracks.
4? Ah, it's different tracks as well.
4 tracks. We have Legend, Ultra, Gravity, Express for the color.
Which ones are the best?
The best, the red.
Give me 5 rides, you know, because
Right?
the difference is small. Yeah. I hope I'll enjoy it. I can wear a bag, right? Oh, okay. But no handhelds, right? Yeah, I have like a chest strap, bro, so I will put like my chest strap on, you know.
You can put in your pocket.
Okay, so 85 ringgit, yeah?
85 ringgit. Alright, this is your ticket. The ticket cannot refund. Valid only for today. You have 2 hours to finish all the ride.
I have 2 hours, yeah? Oh, okay, thank you.
Going down, on the right, get your helmet and the right.
I take helmet and go there. Oh, okay, yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much, man. Yeah, so here are the sizes. I took the blue one, it was hurting my head. So, oh wow. Yeah, the orange one. Yeah, hello, this is my ticket.
Yeah, this side.
Ah, this side, yeah.
Alright, so every time you queue here, you have to show the same ticket.
Yeah,
So
okay.
don't lose the ticket, keep
Yeah,
the ticket.
okay, yes, I'm putting that in my
Right,
pocket.
thank you.
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh wow, okay.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, thanks, man. Oh no, you know, they put the nets only when something bad happens. Oh no, I really hate this, guys. I am so scared right now. I am not joking. It's kind of windy here too. Oh no. Oh wow. I'm a little boy. This is too much for me. I am not 23 years old. I am 5 years old now and I want to cry. Oh no, and it's shaking so much and they don't have the safety net here. It's giving me hella paranoia. Oh, why? I'm really scared of these things. Not the first time. Yeah, thanks. Yeah. You know, I was thinking I'm not even gonna do my 5 rides, you know. I really hate these things. Yeah, I'm ready. So yeah, this is the tutorial now for first like this, yeah?
Yes, sit down. Okay, make sure straight unit. Straight unit.
Oh, shoes here, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Latvia, man.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Okay, for your safety first, make sure your leg always inside. Don't play phone. Don't stop on the train and don't one hand. Make sure 2 hands on the handle, okay?
Yeah, always
Because
hands.
How to brake? Okay, pull back all the way and hold. Okay, pull. Okay, lean back your body.
Lean back, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Hold. Okay, this is your brake position, okay?
Yeah,
When
yeah.
you want stop and brake, you just pull back all the way, okay?
Yeah.
So move forward, release slowly and stop. Nice.
Yeah, okay.
Release slowly and stop. Okay. Okay, understand? Come. Pass slowly, come. Pass slowly and stop. Okay, good. Nice. One more time. Come forward, and stop. Good. Okay. Left, right.
Left, right, yeah?
Yeah, left, right.
Yeah.
Okay, come. Follow me. Right side.
I can follow you, yeah?
Follow me. Okay, right side, and stop. Good. Okay, one more time. Okay, left side, come. Left side, and stop. Good. Okay, one more time. Come forward, and stop. Nice.
Yeah, good.
Okay, pass. Okay. You can go anywhere track.
Which one is the best one?
Best and straight only.
Straight, yeah? Oh, okay. Let's go. Wait.
Slowly.
Okay. Yeah.
Careful, okay?
Yeah, oh, wow, nice. Okay, let's go. Oh, wow, and party time. Oh, yeah. Okay. Not bad. I'm kinda like not too professional with this, so I'm not trying to go super fast. Wow. It's party time. Okay, driving luge. All right. The speed is manageable. I'm not trying to go full speed though. I think I could go a little bit faster. But also I'm not so experienced to go full speed. This is definitely less scary than the oh yeah, boy. Than the this is definitely less scary than the sky lift, than the ski lift. See, now I'm going fast. Now there's a corner, so I'm braking. This is actually maybe too slow, but like the thing is, I would say less corners, so you can actually go fast without too much worry. Track ends. Okay, so this is the end already. Okay, so this is asking me to go slow now. Okay, which one? This one. Oh, I'm very professional. What, sorry?
Stop on the red line.
Stop on the red line. Okay.
Okay, let go the handle first. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Hello.
How was the ride?
Oh, I hate the skiing lifts, you know. The ride was nice, but I hate the ski lift, you know what I mean? It just like, it's giving me like a terrible feeling. I'm really scared of like ski lifts.
Here's some tip.
Hmm?
When you sit, Just close your eye.
Just close. No, it's not really helping.
Just hear the sound.
Yeah, just enjoy the wind. Thanks for the tip, bro.
Hi.
Hi.
Come to me. Okay. Between
Same thing, yeah.
Put your back in front.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, forgot. Ooh. Great tip. Just close your eyes. Second ride is better. But why do they have stairs under here? Did they have to use them stairs before on a sailing operation? Why is my brain so bad, you know? Is I always think of the worst case scenario. This park has been working for many years. And what about safety inspections out here in Southeast Asia? Surely they check all so well in Malaysia, right? I'm just scared of skiing lifts. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Sorry, right side, yeah? Yeah, same as last time. Oh, thanks. Wow. This one, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. That one is like also another track, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I'll try that one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. All right. Okay, maybe I'm gonna try to go faster. Yeah, boy. Where? Blue or no, not blue. Red, bro. Gravity. The other one was express. Oh yeah, gravity, boy. Gravity seems to be faster. Whoa. Okay. Gravity. Spiral, bro. Full speed. Send it. Wow. Tunnel ahead. Now we're sending it. Please, straight tunnel. Oh yeah, boy. Yo, remember, I buy my Jordans only for this. I think flip-flops would have worked. Okay, this one was gravity. I want to take the middle roads now. Okay.
Where are you from?
Originally from Latvia, you know?
What?
Riga, Latvia, you know?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, it's like no, it's okay. Close to Sweden.
Oh, Sweden.
Yeah. Hey, I have a question for you actually. When is the last time that your skiing lift like broke down? Like, you know, like no power or something?
Power?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean the lift, you know. When's the last time that you had like issues with it?
I think last month.
Last month?
Yeah.
So it just like stopped working, yeah?
It's not, it's not working, but about 10 minutes again.
About 10 minutes. People were up there?
Yeah, in the middle of the challenge.
Yeah. Last month, and it happens like every month or only sometimes? And let's go. Ah, so actually middle is like the... This one is the express one. Check out the views. The views are kind of sick though. Oh, there's a lizard. Bro, I saw a lizard. I don't know if you saw that lizard too. Merges here. Ooh. Actually, steers pretty good. I could have just been a pussy actually. I'm gonna try. I could have just been, I mean now I didn't try to brake so much in the end and it was fine. This one, eh? Oh, okay.
Okay, brake. Right, let go the handle.
Oh, wait.
Just let go.
Just let go. Oh, okay, yeah. Thanks, man.
Is temporarily closed due to lightning. The park will reopen once the weather improves. Thank you.
So the ski lift is closed due to the lightning, due to the thunder. And very good for me because I not have to go up there anymore. Okay.